Hey George, good to see you.
Oh Raj, it's great to be here in this anechoic chamber here at UTS Tech Lab. Why are we here in this setting?
Well, let's start with why we're here at UTS, right? We started this relationship 4 years ago, and this was the place where we could find the best technical infrastructure for what we wanted to do. From my perspective, it's one of those key capabilities that UTS has that we're leveraging. And this is how you leverage, as Australians, collaboration.
So is it fair to say then that being located here at UTS Tech Lab has been an important part of us being able to achieve what we have today and what we're doing moving forward?
Absolutely essential. Thanks for being here, Michael. We've been here for 3 years now. It's been wonderful being part of a facility like this and growing our startup out of here. In your view, what are the type of facilities and capabilities that really unlock a startup's growth being here, specifically for us as well?
UTS has industry in its DNA. And one of the superpowers that UTS has is that ability to work with industry in an open, transparent, and also a speedy way to get things done, to solve problems for industry, to really work in a collaborative partnership. And I think that there's 3 areas there, I think. One is the impressive facilities we have here, which hopefully Space Machines, but all our partners can leverage, whether it's testing, whether it's prototyping, whatever that may be. It's also the ability for us to bring in people who may want to collaborate on things in this ecosystem. Secondly, I think it's the innovation and the research through our academics, our PhD students. And lastly, I think it's the skilled workforce. I think at last count, there's about 20% of people coming through from UTS in one way or another that are actually contributing to the success of the company.
As you look to the future, what are other things you're looking as you look out in capabilities and what this UTS Tech Lab ends up becoming?
A really big part of where we've come to now is defense and space, and we have capabilities in that space from a research point of view, from an educational point of view. So we love that alignment. So we're looking at where we can also add value in a more broader context. And one other area which I think will be growing for us and the country is manufacturing.
Yep.
And of course you're already doing that, but we want to put the foot against the pedal on that and grow that opportunity. And that's part of the rationale behind the new block that will become unlocked, as part of Tech Lab's facility. Space Machines Company is a perfect example of an interface where we can, take the innovation that sits within the university and work with you to do things, to test things, and to also, bring things to life just as you're doing successfully here.